Yangshuo, Yangshuo, is a world-renowned county in Guilin, Guangxi, famous for its otherworldly karst mountain landscapes, winding rivers, and vibrant outdoor culture. If the nearby village of Xingping represents the quiet, poetic side of the Li River, the town center of Yangshuo, specifically West Street, xijie, represents its energetic, bustling heart. As the oldest street in Yangshuo with a history spanning over 1,400 years, West Street is a fascinating cultural crossroads where traditional Southern Chinese architecture meets a lively, international nightlife scene. The story of West Street, China's original global village. Long before China became a mainstream destination for global tourism, backpackers in the 1980s and 1990s discovered Yangshuo. Drawn by the cheap living, incredible rock climbing, and surreal landscapes, travelers from all over the world began settling down around West Street. Locals and expatriates opened up Western-style cafes, bakeries, rock climbing shops, and bars right alongside traditional Chinese storefronts. Because almost everyone on this street, from elderly souvenir vendors to young hotel staff, learned to speak fluent English to communicate with the influx of travelers, it earned the nickname, the Global Village, and became famous as China's first true foreigner street. What to experience on West Street today? Today, West Street has evolved into a high-energy pedestrian mall that stretches for about 800 meters. It features a unique blend of old-world charm and modern entertainment. Architectural fusion. The street is paved with smooth, weathered local marble that reflects the glow of neon signs at night. The buildings retain traditional Guangxi styles, complete with white walls, dark-tiled roofs, and flying eaves, but house modern clubs, boutique shops, and global eateries. The nightlife pulse. During the day, West Street is relatively quiet and relaxed. But once the sun dips below the limestone peaks, the street completely transforms. Neon lights flash, street performers take over the alleys, and the music from lively pubs, wine bars, and dance clubs spills out into the night. Culinary adventures. It is the absolute best place in the region to try local delicacies alongside Western comfort food. You can sample Yangshuo's famous beer fish, fresh river fish cooked in a rich, savory beer broth, and then walk next door for an authentic Italian pizza, a German craft beer, or a fresh pour-over coffee. Stay just outside the noise. If you want a good night's sleep, look for accommodation tucked into the valleys just 5 to 10 minutes outside the immediate West Street core, like the Yulong River area. You can easily take a quick taxi or scooter ride into town for dinner, but wake up to complete silence and mountain views.
手抬起来一下，停一下。老了，老了不来。
欢迎欢迎，热烈欢迎！
浪奔浪流，万里滔滔江水永不休。
目前的烤榴莲20元一套，烤榴莲，烤榴莲。
Watch out for tourist pricing in some shops and restaurants.